Welcome everyone. Today's lesson is going to be about security in digital world. So first of all, I want to identify what is the data that we need to worry about when we are online. Mainly the data has two types. One is called PII, which is personally identified information, and the second one is general information. Now the information in general are like the number of cars through an intersection, the temperature of the day, the average plane capacity, house thermometer, immigration values, and other general information. But the data and information that we need to worry about is our personal identifiable information, which are like social security number, email addresses, bank accounts, names, debit or card number, our online fingerprints, birth date, usernames or passwords. We might wonder who is willing to get our data. First of all, there are the good guys, which are different types of information or corporations, like government institutions, legal companies, like the government wants our information in order to create facility and make our life easier while accessing different type of governmental institution. But the bad guys are like hackers and third-party companies. That's why we need to make sure that we read the agreements before we agree always and tick the checkbox that say I agree on the information. Otherwise we'll be surprised because you will be receiving phone calls, you might get hacked by using your computer. Now we will go to the worksheet that is defined by Fingerprint worksheet. Fingerprints are the trail that we leave while using the internet. So that means when we log in into Facebook, we share our location, we record our snaps and say that we are traveling or leaving the house for a specific period of time. Some thieves and bad guys might track this information and these locations, and they can know that the house is empty at this time, and they can simply steal your house, and then you will get in a very big trouble because you're sharing your location and movements. As a worksheet, we are going to try to search for a specific teacher or a friend or any person you know using Google websites and other different websites, but let us focus on Google search. So we will type the name of the person we are going to search and see what information we can retrieve and reveal from this search. So for example, I used our colleague Larbi Yazid in order to find some kind of fingerprints on him. So mainly, if you look here, we need to document all the information we have gathered from this search. The type of information I gathered from my friend Larbi Yazid is date of birth, place of birth, certificates, education, workplace, work experience, and many images. You will document the same information for any person you're looking for and record it into this worksheet. The second thing is we need to compare all the data gathered and which search relevant is the most information, is getting the most information. Of course, in this case, it's Google search. If you try to do or to search through another website, you need to record it. What social media sites were revealed in our search? Of course, in my case, I got information from LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Zoom info, Instagram. And the last question is, what is the reflection that which data you need to omit or hide from being displayed in the social media or on the web? So we need to make sure that we hide home addresses, phone numbers, bank accounts, and our car or vehicle numbers. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I'll see you next week.